So this demonstration is of an auto watering system I built for the Weber Smoky Mountain 22.5 inch. I'm going to show you just quickly what the parts are and the components are, so you can build one yourself if you want. So this system will suck in water from the water bottle mounted on the side whenever the water drops below, a point in the water bowl within the smoker. So as the smoker heats and it steams off the water, it will fill itself automatically from the water bottle mounted on the side. So there's no fire in the smoker right now. This is just for demonstration purposes. Mounted on the side here, I've got it's actually a stainless steel Winco dredge. You can get these at Restaurant Depot, or you can get them for less than 10 bucks on Amazon. I've also got a little bit of plastic tubing from Lowe's or Home Depot, and I've got brass fittings. So the brass fitting is connected to the bottom of the dredge, plastic hose to another barb here connected to a little pipe nipple to go inside. You do have to drill a new hole in the side of the smoker there, so if you're not into drilling holes in your smoker, then this mod is not for you. Looking within the smoker here, it's a little dark, but you can see that there is there is a coupler here that goes from 1/8 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch. Everything inside the smoker is stainless steel piping, so it goes from the expansion coupler there to, I think this is about a 6-inch pipe nipple. Also, it is stainless steel, to an elbow there, which is stainless steel, and that goes up into the water bowl. The water bowl itself has a threaded fixture here. You can see there's some junk in here right now, but I've attached that to the bottom of a new heavy-duty water bowl, which is about $15, and maybe in the comments I'll tell you exactly which one it is, but you can get that online as well. So you can see this is just slowly filling itself with water, but the physics show you that the level of the water will always be where the bottom of this water bottle is. So the water bottle sticks in about here, which means it's going to go up to about an inch up from the top of the bowl. So when you're constructing this thing, it's very important to make sure that you get the lip of this bottle to the height you want the actual water to be. So you can kind of see that that's about how high the water will end up. Then I guess the only other component here is a bit of a strap up top, which is just another piece of stainless steel. I don't remember what they call it. It's kind of like a hose clamp or pipe clamp, something like that. You also get at Lowe's or Home Depot. So this whole mod, now that I actually got it working, you can probably do for maybe 40 bucks, drilling 1, 2, 3 holes into the side of your smoker, and you can always be adding water from outside of your smoker instead of opening up during the cook and checking water levels and adding water inside. So that is my water mod. And then the only other thing I'll show you while I'm videoing is I've got a little mod here that I like to hold the probes. These are also, I'll put them in the comments, but you can get this in the electrical section of Lowe's or Home Depot. And it's just this little square piece with some big washers. You can attach them right to your grate wherever you want to probe, and then adjust it up and down a little bit using these little screws. But that's also been very nice to go through the slot, which I have cut in the side of the smoker per a lot of other people's mods. And I guess lastly, while I'm standing here, I'll show you the drip tray that I use. I get these at Restaurant Depot. They're catering service trays, but if you put one of these on top here are a couple clean ones. You know, this one on top fits the 18-inch smoker, and the one on the bottom fits the 22-inch smoker. So it's a nice way to keep gunk out of your water pans, you know, especially if you're not using the bottom rack, or if you've got kind of like a double bottom rack like I've got here. Okay, so I hope this inspired someone else to make this mod, and that's all.